So, we're back. Almost finished. Can you see that beautiful color? That purple rage and that brown. This is going to be gorgeous. So, after I double weft it, halfway up the smile, I get to, I go to going across, up, up until you hit this. I brought it in closer so you can see because I don't know, this is a trick of mine with the hair wefts going across. I tack all my tracks down because after I double weft it, when I get to the middle to go across and fill it all the way in, I take and single weft it. But I take and I tack it down. You can see that little piece hanging off right there. And this is what I do. I take in right here where this track is here. I take and I take my needle up underneath there, right even with that, and pull it through. Because like I said, I put the track a little over this, and I take and loop my needle through that end, pull it, because I like my tracks to be laid flat and tight. I do that first, and then I go back and I take and loop it through there again, and I wrap it 1, 2, 3. You can wrap it as many times as you like. Like I said, everyone sews their wigs to their preference. This is just mine, but this is what I do to make sure it's secure and it won't come loose when you brush it or wash it or what have you. So I'm going to show you what I do. And after that, I go across, but I'm going to show you what I do with that end of that track. Like I said, this is just my trick. I don't know, it may be helpful to someone else. It may not. Like I said, it's all in your preference. And bear with me because I don't sew that fast. Because this carpal tunnel sometimes just have me, oh my goodness, screaming for somebody else to take these fingers or this wrist and take this pain away. They can have it. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I do. I've gone across. Like I said, the tracks are, I place one a little bit, one on each end and things. Ladies, I go with these damn pins again. And I don't like to sew the long, wide ones like I see some people do. I like it to be small and precise. It's just me, you know. It is just me. I don't like that wide stitch. Okay. As you can see, the stitching is really, really flat and stuff. But this is what I wanted to show you. When I'm finished and I get to the other end, I do this on both ends. I take this pin out right here, and you can see the track right there where I placed it over. You can see where it's hanging off. So I take and I cut that right here where this is. I make this meet because I cut it right flat down in there like this, and it's off. And I make sure that's laying down right in there. So I have a couple of more tracks. You want to see, this is going to be beautiful. This color is just gorgeous. Okay, a couple more tracks will be finished. Stay tuned so you can see how this wig has come out. But like I said, that's my little trick. And I mean, is it something you think you can use, or, you know, this is a way to have your tracks really laying down flat in between, not on top. You can cut it at the end, and trust me, you will not regret it. This is going to be beautiful. Like I said, this is going to be beautiful. A couple of more tricks and we're finished. And I'll be back to show you what this unit looks like. You are going to love it because I am already loving the color mix. I think it's going to be awesome. It is going to be awesome. Very awesome. So I'm to the end of this, and I'm going to do the same thing I did on the other side. I've hooked it. I'm going to wrap it 3 times. Pull it in. Make sure the end is secure. It won't come loose at all. And take, and I think this is a little bit too close. Let me push it back some. And I'm going to take, and I'm going to cut this in as well to fit right there inside of the trunk. So it will mesh all together. So like I said, stay tuned, ladies. We're almost, we're almost at the end. I'll see you in a moment. Like, hi everyone. So, I'm back. Can you see it? Okay, can you see it? Let me see. Yeah. You see it? Look at this. How beautiful is this? This is, once again, this is Zury. This is by Zury. It's called The First. This is how it looks. The first one pack is enough. 100% fiber green. I'm sorry. 100% green fiber hair. This is how it came out. My purple with my brown. I call this purple rain on a cloudy day. How about that? Of course, I have to name my units, but I mean, with the pack, you get 3 bundles and a closure. The closure, all I did, I plucked it a little. If you can see that, I plucked it. I had to pluck it some. My concealer in it and everything, but this type, this is the body, because they have, I think, like 2 other types. I know they have the straight, but I got the body, and this is how it looks. You can curl this from anywhere from 350 to 400 degrees. I mean, you are going to love it. It was not, look, it's I'm not going to tangle free, but I can run my hands through it. Okay, when I brushed it, you know, I got about this much, you know, out of it. So I'm going to say it will shed, you know, a little over time or what have you. But you're looking to be affordable. Understand, a lot of people, you know, I understand a lot of people, they can't afford, you know, the more expensive hair to make the units and everything. I started this series because of a neighbor that lives down the street. Her daughter, you know, she goes to college, and of course she's on a budget. So I tried to let her know you can still slay and be beautiful on a budget, because for my girls who are over there on campus getting that education, you can look gorgeous with the affordable hair. This is part 2 of the mini series Affordable Hair. So ring that bell, subscribe if you're new. All the descriptions will be left down in the box below. so you won't miss what I come up with for part 3. You don't want to miss it. This one is beautiful. Can you imagine what the next one will look like? Okay. And I don't know why this hair looks, oh, it's a little tangly. This hair looks really, really shiny on while I'm looking at it, but it's not that shiny in person because it doesn't look like a little shiny doll. It's a little duller, without all the lights and everything on it, but it's beautiful. It is worth it. Zury, you did your thing. And as always, thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye, everyone.